all-new QuickLink control system with IDS is all about connections. Without a doubt, the most important piece of kiteboarding equipment is a control system with the ability to securely connect and disconnect on demand. The all-new QuickLink control system with IDS shatters the status quo and sets an entirely new standard in design. From its functional form, to its ergonomic geometry, to its proven handling of security, the QuickLink control system raises the bar to a new, untouchable height. The first thing you'll notice about QuickLink is its unique ergonomic design. We have gone through great lengths to design a quick-release harness loop system with all the security functions intact, while actually reducing the external clutter often found in control systems. The QuickLink's ergonomic design becomes an extension of your body with its smooth curves and clean lines. Each feature is made to function using the body's intuitive movements and natural form factors. The QuickLink control system utilizes the body's natural movement when operating the many critical functions. Each feature is strategically positioned for efficient activation or deployment. The top of the harness loop is perfectly shaped to fit your hand for positive control while hooking in or when activating the main quick release. Both the QR1 and QR2 quick release handles meet the AFNR standard for release loads when tested to 150 kg. QuickLink seamlessly incorporates a swivel into the internal section of the body. This allows the rider to manually unspin any twists in their flying lines. What's more is the flying lines will spin in unison with the landing line, making it the world's first fully spinning centerline landing system. The new leash attachment connection allows for the leash to rotate around the harness loop, allowing the leash to automatically locate itself in the correct position on the harness loop. The new center-located security pin is now easily removable for those who would like to ride unhooked. The central location of the pin also serves to reduce foul hooking. QuickLink uses our proven IDS method of three-stage security, a system which was first developed by Cabrinha and has since become the industry's gold standard in security. QuickLink maintains our proven depower on demand first line of defense to interactively depower your kite. Depower on demand is simply activated by pushing the control bar towards the kite. When the bar is pushed to the end of the centerline main line, the kite will immediately begin to depower and drop from the sky. Stage 2 depower is used to land your kite, or if you wish to tame the residual power left in your kite after activating depower on demand. QuickLink handles this task by simply activating the QR1 handle. The kite will then transfer its load onto the IDS landing line. From there, you can climb up the landing line to get to your kite, or you can reset the system to resume riding. In certain circumstances, it may be necessary to completely disconnect from your kite. After the QR1 is activated, you can activate the QR2 handle to completely disconnect from your kite. By activating the QR2 handle, the IDS landing line is released from the harness loop, thus separating yourself from the kite. The ergonomics continue on the control bar itself. The EVA bar ends are shaped to create a smooth transition from the bar grip to the bar end. The bar ends have smooth curves and edges, and the EVA is forgiving when coming in contact with the body. The EVA bar ends have also been lowered and widened to accommodate the entire line set being wound onto them. The EVA ends are buoyant enough to float the entire control system with the lines attached, thus making bulky floats on the leader lines unnecessary. The tips now feature flex grooves, which allow them to bend independently while winding your lines onto the bar. Cabrinha was the first to introduce the multi-bore tubing to internalize the centerline main line, as well as the 500 kg landing line. Internalizing both lines decreases the external clutter on the control system, and the PU tubing serves as protection against abrasion from the constant action of the bar against the lines. The new QuickLink control system also makes steering and sheeting much smoother with the increase in the diameter of the center hole fitting. The hole is now 2 millimeters wider in diameter, and the radius surrounding the hole has been increased to allow for reduced friction when steering. Recoil is a spring-loaded function which always keeps the bungee trim adjusters contained and well within reach, making it the cleanest trim adjustment system on the market. With recoil, there's never a loose adjustment tail as seen with most above or below the bar trim systems. The recoil spring always returns the bungee trim adjusters to their proper place along the depower mainline, even after the kite has been fully depowered by the control bar. When you return the bar to the powered position, the bungee trim adjusters automatically reset themselves to a place which is easy to reach. Recoil also provides adequate resistance to momentarily unspin your bar from rotational tricks. The internal tower on the QR1 is made from a high-quality 316 stainless steel. This complete assembled QuickLink system is designed to withstand loads of over 400 kg without deformation. The QR1 body is made to release under a 10 kg force when loaded to the highest AFNR standard of 150 kg. This is 2 times the average rider weight of 75 kg. Whether used in clean or sandy environments, the QR1 activation is light to the hand and well within the AFNR requirements. The QuickLink has a smart QR2 release handle. The handle is omnidirectional, which means that it is not right or left hand dependent. It can be reached from either side with identical accessibility. The QR2 handle is also not reliant on the loop being oriented to one side or the other. But what makes the QR2 release handle unique is that it cannot be activated unless the QR1 handle is activated. This means that even if the QR2 handle is activated unintentionally while riding, it will not release the landing line. Since the QR2 is only used to completely separate from your kite, it can only be activated after the QR1 is deployed. The 2012 QuickLink control system from Cabrinha, setting an entirely new standard in security, style, form, and function. The 2012 Cabrinha